In this viral copy review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software ViralCopy. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for ViralCopy. ViralCopy is a software that creates personalized descriptions and much more. This is what you should see once you have actually signed up and logged in. There's not too much going on to begin with, and it is a pretty simplistic dashboard page that I see. I'm going to quickly go through some of the features, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. Now, first off, there is the ViralCopy logo in the top left, which isn't actually clickable like most softwares. So you just have to go to the main dashboard page by clicking the dashboard that is right below it. As you can see in the dashboard page, again, there's not too much going on. You have your copy tools, long form, NFT tools, and getting started. In the copy tools section, you can actually see that it is powered by AI, and you can easily generate ad copy, social media copy, product descriptions, and much more. In the long form section, you can actually write blogs, stories, posts, landing pages, anything you want 20 times faster with the help of AI. In the NFT tools, you can actually quickly create NFT stories, captions, and other NFT marketing content. And in the getting started section, it just says you can actually learn the latest tricks and write your first copy in seconds. All the way above that, where it says welcome to ViralCopy, you can see that we actually have used 0 words this month because we are on the free plan, and you can actually have a limit on the words you use. To the left of the dashboard, you can see the copy tools section. You can see that there is an ad copy, product description, sales email, picture caption, all copy tools. We're going to go ahead and go into the copy tools section by either clicking this or this button right here and see what features it uses. Once you are on the copy tools section, you can see that there is quite a bit going on. Not too much, it is pretty simplistic and easy as a beginner. You can go ahead and see that your copy tools are right here. You can actually select a copy template, areas / features you want to cover, and your desired tone. You can see here that there is a variety of different templates, and you can go ahead and write what features you actually want to cover in the content. So I'm going to go ahead and select some of this and choose it just so I can actually come back to the review and show you guys what I've done. So there you go, I went ahead and quickly selected some features on the ViralCopy copy tools area, and I selected the template YouTube video description. It went ahead and filled in this for me, the video title, what is the video about, and then I went ahead and just put in gaming just to see if we can actually cover gaming in the AI generate. Right below that, I went ahead and clicked the desired tone for fun, and now we can actually go ahead and click this button right here where you can actually generate your copy. Once you go ahead and click that, you should see that it's actually generating your copy now, and it could take up to around 20 seconds. However, it didn't actually take 20 seconds, which is a good software design, and you can actually see that it came up with YouTube descriptions. We're going to go ahead and read through some of these to make sure they make sense within the AI generated software. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you'll find videos on all things gaming, from the latest releases to tips and tricks. I've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Straight off the bat, brilliant AI system already. I went ahead and just added on gaming at the bottom, and you can see it's actually slipped gaming in there within the copy. One thing I would say though is that it is a YouTube description, so it's actually not that long because they're usually a bit longer than that rather than just a one-liner. This one at the bottom is pretty good actually because it is a bit longer. Hey there, this video is all about gaming and having fun. We'll be playing some of our favourite games and just having a good time, so come and join us. Let's have some fun. Pretty good description for a YouTube video description, and it is overall a well integrated AI system from my perspective. So next in the features, what you want to go ahead and do once you've actually landed on the template or the result you want, you can actually go ahead and copy any of these descriptions that you would like to put into your YouTube video. To the right of that, you can also go ahead and save them. And then as you scroll down, there is actually more descriptions that you need. All the way down here on the notepad, it says the notepad automatically saves your content, so you can actually come back here anytime you continue to view your draft. So if we went ahead and copied that and pasted it, it should actually land it on the notepad, and it says this actually saves the content. All the way to the left, next I actually went ahead and clicked on the ad copy tools. So this should take us to an ad area where we can actually go ahead and generate an AI generated ad copy. Again, it's pretty much the same process. You can go ahead and click any of these, and then it should say areas / features you want to cover right below that. Product description and a call to action. We're going to go ahead and just type in a random product to see if it actually integrates it to the description. So I went ahead and typed in phone, and then the desired tone, we actually would want it to be persuasive. to generate any sales. Once you have went ahead and generated your copy, again, all of this should open up. We're going to go ahead and read through one of these just to see it actually works within the phone. The all new iPhone is finally here with a sleek design and powerful features. This phone is sure to impress. Order now and get free shipping. There we go. Again, the AI generated system actually realizes we are trying to get a phone description by just adding in the word phone. Again, you can go ahead and copy this and just add it to your notepad section if you need it later on. Next, we're going to move all the way to the long form editor now, just past the copy tools. It's right here on the left hand side, just below all of these sections. And once you click on that, we can actually generate a long form blog post. Right here it says generate long form, and you can go ahead and describe your blog post or whatever else you want to generate. Once you've done that, you should click start writing and it should generate some content. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in really quickly so we can see what features it uses. And there you go, I went ahead and typed in a random subject that we are going to cover in this long form generation. I went ahead and typed in fitness blog post, fitness journey from overweight to muscular, and a 6-month long journey which is inspiring. Once you went ahead and actually outlined what your form would be about, you can go ahead and start writing by clicking this button down here. So I don't actually know what is going on with the software here, however when I click start writing it actually isn't working or even generating anything, to be honest. I don't know whether that is actually ViralCopy software on its own. I am pretty sure it's not my end, so ViralCopy on this area doesn't actually work too much. Unless I'm doing something wrong, which means ViralCopy isn't actually easy to work with. We're going to go ahead and move on now to the NFT tools section since this section does not work. Next, on the NFT tools section, this is pretty much the same section as the last two. You can go ahead and choose an NFT copy type. You can actually add your NFT properties right below it and then add your OpenSea link, which is optional if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and choose an NFT Instagram ad, and then I'm going to go ahead and write the properties. I went ahead and wrote car and space, just random words that came to the top of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and click generate now. Once you've clicked generate, it should again say generating your copy now. It could take up to 20 seconds and hopefully it doesn't actually take that long. And there you go, it's went ahead and generated the NFT marketing tools. As you can see here, it came up with a few different descriptions and I'm going to go ahead and read through a few of them. So the first one, this car is very futuristic and has a lot of gadgets on it. It's not just your average car, but also an interstellar vehicle. Straight off the bat, that is actually a really well AI generated sentence. That description put with an NFT that actually relates to it could actually look really well on an Instagram ad, which is the copy type. The one below it, this car is driving through space. That one is really boring and I don't know why that has actually came up from the AI. This car is parked in space, this car is in space, the car is in space. These ones are all terrible. However, the more longer ones like this one, the car is a vehicle that has been around for centuries. It is used to transport people and goods from one place to another, whether it be on ground or in space. Those are some good words to describe the NFT, and I would actually use that myself if I was describing that NFT. Finally, we can go ahead to the left and go on the saved copy section. Once you're on this, it shows you your saved copy in the notes section all the way back at the beginning. You can go ahead and actually edit this to how you want and then either copy that or delete it if you wish. I'm going to go ahead and delete it just to show how easy it is just to delete it. And then finally there is a help center and a settings section on the left hand side. And there you go, that is it for ViralCopy software review. Overall it is a really great AI generated software, other than the one section in the area for the long form editor. Personally for me it didn't work, or if it was working it is really not easy to use. The copy tools section and the NFT tools section, overall they are great to use and I would recommend them to anyone who's trying to get short form sentences and descriptions for either one. Those are the features I like, those two features in the software, and overall I would recommend it to someone if they needed it. That's all from me, I'll see you next time.